So there's no classes at Maruapula this afternoon. So I've decided to come up here to the top of Hotel 52 to a restaurant called Table 52 for kind of a little bit of a lunch. It's got a beautiful view of all of Gaborone. The airport is in that direction there. You can see Maruapula actually in the distance over there. I can actually see physically. There's the National Stadium that's kind of blue. That white fence right about here is where the president lives. In the distance, past the National Stadium, is where South Africa is. There's a far, far mountain that actually I was at the top of a couple days ago. So there are lions out in that direction, in case you were wondering. Kind of a view of the CBD here. It's the new business district of Gaborone. There's the dam, the kind of brownish water that supplies the water for Gaborone. Straight ahead here is the Massa Square Hotel, where we're staying in March. And kind of around this corner here is where Halalatsang School is, in that area. So it kind of gives you a perspective as to what Gaborone looks like from way high above. Pretty cool. Apparently, the mass department has already made reservations for my last night in Gaborone to come for dinner back at Table 52 to see the sun set, which should be pretty amazing.